Hi. What are you up to? What are you doing, Elliot? Just drooling? Just drooling? Can you say hi? Oh my goodness. Can you say hi? I hear your sister. Here she comes. Oh yeah? I hear her. She's coming. What is she doing? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, you have a little yawn?